Hi everyone, welcome to Excel trick. Today we are doing the Excel trick how to calculate the bonus. So let's suppose we have here some employee, they have done some sales. So here we have the grid, here we have the sales target, here we have the commission. If the person have done the 20,000, then they give the 15%, 50,000, 16 and 17%. According to sales target, we are giving the commission and we are calculating the bonus. So here I am using the VLOOKUP function. This is my lookup value sale, and this is my table array. Then I'm freezing this value, then column index number. I want to calculate the commission, correct, and I want the approximate because exact match is not available here. We have nearby value related to this. Then I'm multiplying the sales with this, then enter. Now you can see here this is the bonus basis on the commission. Thank you guys.